My question is that soon I'm going to visit my home country, and I know that there is going to be a lot of fitnah in terms of weddings with remixing and so on. How to protect myself from the fitnah? It's very good that you understand that these things are very dangerous. And this is something, subhanallah, 𝗪𝗲𝗶𝘃𝗀𝗀. It's become everywhere. Wherever you go, you find these things. That the concept of segregation between men and women covering themselves properly and appropriately, and men lowering their gaze, it's qaleel and nadir. It's very rare to find. So inshallah ta'ala, just uphold your deen. Don't ever try to please others when it's a matter that angers Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If it's going to anger Allah, be direct and honest about it and say, this is something I cannot entertain and do. So I'm not going to sit in a place where there are other men sitting. I'm not going to wear clothing that other men can watch me and they can see me. Even if you have to be that stranger from all the other people, be it. Because that's inshallah ta'ala going to be a reason for Allah to honor you yawm al-qiyamah.